One more time, tree lovers, I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. I'm at the beautiful Dogs Inc. campus where they train guide dogs to be guide dogs. They have quite an operation here. This is down in the Palmetto area. The last storm tore this place up. It's a beautiful campus with trees everywhere. And we got called in to revitalize, replant, and plant new trees all over this campus. This is a big Shady Lady black olive. It's about a 12-inch diameter tree, and it was laying flat on the ground. When I first looked at it, my immediate reaction was the only thing we can do with this tree is pull it up, cut it up, and haul it off. Well, it turns out that my foreman disagreed with me, so I let him have his way. And look at this tree. It has been stood up for about a month now, maybe 5 weeks, and it's doing absolutely perfect. We did this with trees all over this campus. Bigger trees, bamboo trees, fishtail palms, Bismarck palms. Over here we installed a new jacaranda tree. Jacaranda is in the mimosa family and has a beautiful purple flower. You can see it with the stakes around it right there. Now it has to refoliate, because very often when these mimosa trees are brought in, they get jarred and bumped and the wind catches them and they just go into shock, lose all their leaves, and then have to revitalize. And that's what's happening there. But I'm going to take a couple more videos. I want you to see what the tree planters can do, because we want you to know that we can do crazy stuff. We are tree transplant specialists, and evidently now we're tree re-stand up specialists. But we sell big trees, bigger trees, and even bigger trees. Whatever you need for trees, except cut down, because we are not cut them down guys. We're stand them up and plant them new. We do that every day, all day. We're the best in the state, perhaps even America, and who knows, maybe in the whole world. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. Check us out there and give us a call.